How to send a PowerPoint presentation through WhatsApp. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can send a PowerPoint presentation file through WhatsApp. Now the process is quite simple. First you'll have to download the PowerPoint presentation file as a document on your device. Now here on my laptop, if I head into files, here I've downloaded a sample PowerPoint presentation file. You can see this one. This is the sample file here. I just downloaded it here for demo purpose. You will have to download it on your PC or laptop and save it to your device. Next thing, once you do this, is open up WhatsApp. You can get WhatsApp from the link, or you can get it from your Microsoft Store. Simply open up WhatsApp here, and on WhatsApp what you want to do is first link your device here. Now you can see I've already linked my accounts here. You'll have to link your account through the device here. You can open up WhatsApp on your phone, and then you can scan it on the QR code that will be shown on WhatsApp here on your laptop, and then you can connect your or link your account. Once you link it, what you want to do is head into the chat that you want to send the document to, and at the bottom of your screen at the chats here you'll find the option attach files. Simply click on this icon here and you'll have to select the document option. You can see, simply click on document option, and here now browse through your laptop. Now browse into the folder where you have downloaded the file. In my case it's on the downloads here, and if I head into downloads you can see the sample file that I just downloaded. Simply click on the file that you want to send and click on open, and it will load up here down below. You can see it's loading up. You can add messages if you want, and then simply click on send option here, send icon, then simply click on send and it will be sent. So this way you can send PowerPoint presentation file through WhatsApp. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.